Hi. On occasion, we have to replace a side panel on a flex car for one reason or another. And so if you have to do this, we're making a short video to show you how to do it. First of all, I want to show you the tools you're going to need. Hammer, cold chisel for cutting the rivets, good screwdriver, power screwdriver, and then just a regular screwdriver if needed. And then the kit would come with these screws and washers to do the replacement. First thing we were going to do, we're going to take out the screws in the surround. So we'll start with that. And get those out of the way. And then second, we'll take the wheel off. I have the cart propped up off the ground on a little block, so it allows us to get this wheel out of the way. Slides right off over here. Now we're going to go around and probably bottom to top is best, and we're going to pop out these rivets. It's very easily done with this cold chisel. Just stick it in behind, get it in behind a washer or behind the rivet head, and just knock it right off, just like that. And I've already done these two here. So I'm going to work my way around. And I'm going to just knock them right off. Might even be easier to go in behind here. Just like that. Go in behind it. Without dropping your chisel. You just back up and watch me from afar. You just cut in the rivet, it pops right off. Okay. Go up from over here. Okay, now there's a few in the middle too. So let's get rid of those. I'm going to be careful not to cut the fabric. Of course, it doesn't really matter if you're replacing a bad panel. Okay. There we go. One more. There we go. So now it's off. I'm going to get rid of some of these little nubs that are in here. It's not a bad idea to have a pair of channel locks with you. And we can get rid of these guys. Most of them should go in, but the center ones are a little bit of a challenge because it's in the center. To get those to go in. There we go. There we go. Just going to go around and make sure all those rivets have gone in. And even if they're just close, we can still put our screw in and it'll push them in. Looks like we're good all the way around. Alright, so now we're going to pretend like this is a new panel, and we're going to put it back on. I'm going to start with a screw and a washer. I'm going to go on the corner. Just make sure you got the panel the right way. Pockets up, just like I have it here. And I'm going to screw it into this corner here. Get it straight. And screw it in. Okay, now I'm going to get this underneath here. I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in here since they're sitting right there. And on a new panel, you know, you'll have to try to find the holes, but really, as long as you have it in the right position, you can screw right through the fabric. Okay, another screw with a washer. There's 4 washers that go in the corners of the panel. Just like that. Like that. Now the top is done. I'm going to do the bottom corners. Again with the washer, you want to use the 4 washers in the 4 corners. Okay, now we're just going to work our way around. And we're going to put these screws in all the way around. All the way. Okay, got a couple rivets still in the way here in the fabric. Let's pull them out. There we go. We put rivets or screws at every high tension area where it's going to be pulled on, so that it, is less likely to break. That's why there's so many rivets and screws. And then we go into the middle. You're just going to have to search around to find your holes. They should be close to wherever these are, the holes in the fabric are. And there we go. I fastened it back on. It's all finished. Now I'm going to put the wheel on. Put my hubcap back on. And you're all done. Oh, wait a minute. I missed the screw. Should have pointed that out to me, cameraman. Alright, there you go.